Hello dear children, we can see different types of objects around us. Some objects are natural, some objects are man-made. Today we are going to draw man-made objects. Let's enjoy the activity. For this object drawing, children, we need pencil, eraser, sketch pen. It is a tissue paper. You can use tissue paper or cotton or any waste cloth also. Then this book number 5, oil pastel. And now first we will draw this picture, page number 3, still life object. Okay children, here they have given the procedure, one oval, one circle, and how we can convert that in a pot. Here another type of how we can convert it, we can see the step by step. So children, you have to draw in this particular area. But now I am showing you in both the types. One is a pencil shading and one is a oil pastel shading. So if you want, you can draw this pencil shading inside and oil pastel, one object here, one object here. It is upon you. If you want to draw, you can utilize your whole space. Okay, so now I have drawn this picture according to this. So here I am using pencil shading and here we will do with the help of oil pastel shading. If light is coming from this side, so light is here, so always shadow will be here. Okay, so highlight we can see here. Last year we learned how to show the dark, how to show the medium tone, how to show the light tone. So first I will start with the medium tone. Okay, so if you want, you can draw lines. If you want, you can scribble it. So line I am drawing here, giving little more pressure here to show the dark color. I am giving little pressure, more pressure here to show the darkest colors. See children, it is my normal pencil. How you are using for the maths, that pencil only we can use. No need of any drawing pencils for it. So I will go little bit ahead and again here I will give the light color. Means I will use pencil very lightly. So how many shades we can see? It is highlight, light, then medium to dark, then little dark, and at the end the darkest tone. I will use this little bit cotton or tissue paper. I will hold it like this and then I will merge it. So after merging, what will happen? See what a lovely it is looking. It is giving very nice effect of the shading. Okay, now here down, same we will do. Here we can see the shadow. So little bit dark and medium tone I have given. Okay. So our this pot is ready. Here you can see the design in middle. Okay, so that we will draw at the end. Where dark is there, I will use pencil little darker. Then on medium I will give less pressure. Here no pressure and again less pressure. See, design also we can see the effect of shading. Now here opposite side we will do. We will give dark here, then medium, and we will merge it with light. Like this, this object is ready children. We will move ahead here. Here I am using the scribbling technique. See children, scribbling also looking very nice. So here I am using scribbling technique. I will scribble very lightly over all the pot. Okay. Then I will give little more pressure here and scribble more time on it. So how I will scribble more time? It will automatically give me the dark tone. It is also a technique of shading, children. So you can do like this also. Here also I will scribble. See, you can see different tones with pencil shading. Now here at the end I will scribble little one time more, and then the design of the pot. Okay, so two different techniques of pencil shading we learned today. One is a plain shading and another is a scribbling technique. Now here I will show the ground line, and we can show the shadow. For shadow also we will merge it with Now children, see, our this pencil shading is ready. Now we are going to do coloring with the help of oil pastels. So it is upon you children. If you want you can do, otherwise let it be only the pencil shading you can do. So for that first I will border the object. So let's start the coloring. We will use different colors for it. Here I will use this brown color shades. For that I need dark brown, medium brown, yellow ochre and white. And here I will use grey color shades. So I will use black, dark grey, light grey and white. Okay, so let's start. I will use first this dark brown, then I will merge it with light brown, then I will use this yellow ochre. At the end highlight with the help of white color. First I will merge little bit the side portion of it. Yes, so our object is ready. Down same I will do brown, dark brown first, then brown and then yellow ochre. I will not give any highlight down. Here opposite, brown and yellow, and very lightly the top portion. Okay, now it is a second object that I am going to show with black. Children, if you want to change the color you can change the color also, no problem. We can show it in a blue color or red color or green color, in any color. Okay, so first I will give little bit black color here like this. Then I will use this dark grey. After grey I am using this light grey. I will merge it children properly. If you are finding any difficulty, you all know how to merge it. We can use tissue paper or you can use cotton for the merge. Okay, and at the end I will use this white. I leave the white. Still if you want you can give little bit white on it. Okay, and then the down portion black and white. Okay, so children, now for down side I will use this blue color. So for the shadow I am using little bit Persian blue, little bit black, and then I will use grey color to merge it. Okay, so our object is ready. So now children, we learned this pencil shading as well as the oil pastel shading. So enjoy this activity.